Hi, I'm Hannah, but everyone calls me Hannah. I worked as a customer service representative for 3 years and I've learned a lot, especially handling customers with care that will make them stay and do business with us. I've experienced taking inbound calls, doing outbound calls, setting appointments for the customers to make sure that they will be prioritized, answering their concerns if they have issues, and educate them to avoid the same problem. I also do upselling to promote our products and services that will fit to the customers. I am a girl with a great motivation to work, ready to take risk to provide better service, and a girl who never surrenders in every battle in life. Currently, I am with a Virtual Buddy 24/7, an agency on Upwork with a proven system in helping businesses succeeding and prospering. With Virtual Body 24/7 and my years of extensive experience, I can assure you my willingness to work and positive thoughts can make a better outcome for all of us. I am looking forward to work with you through success. Thank you and have a wonderful day.